In this video, we're working on a 1998 through 2010 Volkswagen Beetle. We're going to be replacing the front sway bar links, and they're located right here. Let's get into it. You should have a little center cap here that you need to take off. You want to use the straight blade screwdriver, just get underneath there, pop that off. This vehicle does not have that. Then take your hook and then find this hole right here, and then just pull the cap right off. It's just held on by those positions. Now you can access the lug nuts. Use the wheel lock key, find the wheel lock, take that one off with a 17mm socket. Then using the same 17mm, we're going to take off the lug bolts. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to support the wheel from falling. Take that off, then pull the wheel off. Take this bolt out here, use a 16mm socket. Just twist that up a little bit. Now using a 10mm hex socket, I'm going to go in right here to prevent that from spinning, and then using a 16mm socket, take the nut off, and it slides right out, just like that. Now slide the new link in place. Get the nut started. Use the 10mm hex socket. Get that lined up. And a 15mm socket. We'll snug this down first. And now torque this to 22 foot-pounds. Now slide the link down in position, get the bolt, get that started. Get that lined up. Snug that down. Now we're going to torque that to 33 foot-pounds. Now put the wheel on, line it up, put the bolts in. And the wheel lock key with the wheel lock. Just tighten those down. Now we're going to torque these lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. Take the key out and take the center cap. If that center ring popped out, you want to put that back in. Line that up and pop it in place. Then if you have that little cap, you want to push that on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.